Okay, we're off when you are. This is a very nice little 1940 Royal Enfield WD C.O.1942 overhead valve. Which was demanded in 1942 contract, but it was actually sent out from the factory in 1944. A lot of these were used by the home divisions in the defence of the UK, and this one is badged to the 47th London Division, whose job was to basically protect London, and they were involved an awful lot with the light anti-aircraft units and the searchlight units, and this one is actually badged to an L.A.A. With the number 14. We're just doing our 20-mile road test, just done the aerials, going to go back on this one. It's got everything it should have, solid levers, blackout, ooh, and a stall. Will it go again, Pete? Whoa. Well, that's what happens sometimes when you just make a lack of judgment. So we'll leave that in. They're quite a soft little motor, not huge ground clearance, which is why I don't think any of them were actually used much abroad. You don't see any pictures of them at D-Day or any of the big offences in Europe. Although some of you might know different if you're into REs. It's got the 44 style genuine panniers, drones, the twin toolboxes. It's actually got the third toolbox, which shouldn't be on it in 1944, but it actually looks very nice, so somebody's obviously added it for that reason. They sort of purr along, really. We've just got a bit of a squeaky brake there. They're working. I think probably need bedding in. We've done not too much work on this one. It was being used, and it's a nice bike. And that's it.